So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back in the kitchen again. So today we had a good crop of pears from our orchard this year. As always, they're organic, never do anything with them. Mr. Sunshine and the rain. So because we had such a good crop, we decided we would make some pear and
Brandy Pears.
Brandy Pears. Oh, by the way, my name's Cameron.
I'm Julie.
Okay, so today we're making brandied pears. So we have 6 pounds of pears. We have some water with some fruit fresh produce protector in, just to put the pears in so they don't start browning off while we're preparing everything else. We've got three tables. We've got 3 tables
of crystallized ginger, 4 cups of apple juice, 1.5 cups of honey, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, and 2 cinnamon sticks broken up, and 1/4 cup of brandy.
You were much better at that than me.
Well, you know.
So how we go about this is we take the skins and the cores out of the pears, put them in the water. In the meantime, everything here apart from the brandy goes into the pan, and we bring that to a boil while we are doing the pears. So let's get going. Are you going to be my camera person?
Of course.
All right, cool. So I have this. I really like this. It's going to make my life a lot easier. Once I've got the skin off the pear, I put it on like that. Oh, you probably can't see for these. Let me get rid of these. We can put them over there. So once I've got the skin off the pear, I just put that in there and apply pressure. And it just quarters the pears, and into there they go. Now you could either quarter them or leave them in half, but my thought is, even with a small pear like that, half of that pear is quite a mouthful if it's just like a snack. So I'm going to quarter them, and that's what I'm going to do right now. What I'm going to do first is get the liquids into here and get them on so that they're starting to get to a rolling boil. So that's the organic apple juice, the ginger, cloves and cinnamon sticks, the lemon, and our very own organic raw honey. This is this season's honey. Is this spring or the summer honey?
Summer.
Okay. Now, is this the one that has a fragrance of lemon? Mm-hmm. Okay, that will help with this recipe. So,
Get it all out.
I know, I'm not leaving anything. When you were a kid and Mum was baking and you asked to lick the bowl out when she was doing the chocolate cake, that's what Julie's like with these. I'll lick all that out. Don't leave that there. So let's get that on and running. There's a little bit left on this ladle. Would you like it?
There's so much in here still.
You know my eyesight. Okay, let's start getting the skins off these pears. So with the magic of editing, again, I'll make these pears disappear, skinned, quartered, and into that pan in about 45 seconds.
strainer.
Okay guys, and we are back. We did a little bit of tidying up. So we've got this on a rolling boil right now. So Julie's going to strain the water off the pears. We then add the pears and the brandy at this point. And that's as far as I can go right now. I need Julie's help. Julie found the recipe. So while I've got a second, don't forget guys, hit the subscribe button, like, share, leave a comment if you want to see Julie and I in the kitchen actually cooking something that you like the look of. Please do let us know. We are more than happy to try anything that I haven't cooked before. I love cooking new things that I've never cooked before. So pears and brandy in. So where are we now, darling? With regards to, we bring this up to a boil. And don't we put it in the oven overnight? The fridge overnight?
That was a different recipe.
Oh, was that a different recipe? Okay, so we bring this to a...
Once it's boiled, reduce heat and simmer for 5 minutes.
Okay, so we bring it back up to a boil and then simmer for 5 minutes. After that 5 minutes is up, we start put it into the jars, and then we put the jars into a bath. I feel like I'm talking to you and not you guys. So once we get this done to a rolling boil, reduce 5 minutes, and then we put them into a bath. So hey guys, we've got this to a boil. So now we're going to reduce that heat to a simmer for 5 minutes. So hey guys, this has had its 5 minutes on a simmer. So it's time to jar the pears, and then the jars go into, ooh, that's going to be hot. The jars then go into a bath. So pears in first. What do we do with this?
Stay.
That goes in? Okay. The jars have been in the oven sterilizing, so they're pretty hot. Is that about right? You like that?
Yeah.
Like the look of that? So it's pears in first, and then juice poured in after the fact. So on that jar, it was about that much. Let's see how it works on this one. Oh, that one looks like it needs a little more.
I might add a little more of that one too.
Yeah, would you like me to? Not that much though.
No.
Oh. Well, grab that thing there, baby, and it's a pokey. That's a term. It's
Really?
It's a pokey, yeah. It gives you more room in the jars. It's called a jar pokey. I made that up.
Shocking.
So, would you like to stand round this side, baby, so you can access them better? I'll move them over to you there.
Can't put the lids on until we get the juice in.
Ah, yeah, you're right. Good thinking. Do you want to grab a measuring jug and I'll scoop the juice?
That's what the ladle's for. Did you forget?
I'm pretty sure I just got told off.
Too much.
Are you sure? You use the pokey stick.
Supposed to leave a ½ inch headspace.
I thought you went to the neck. Right, don't we? Oh, these are smaller jars.
Hello.
I wasn't paying attention, was I? Okay, we're out of jars, and we've got probably another one of these left.
Okay.
Just an FYI. I'm not going to put any more in that one because the pokey thing isn't going to work. We're probably another.
I'm going to sterilize this big one.
Okay, well, if that's the case, we'll probably put these two and this into the big one.
Put it back in.
Okay.
Put it back in the juice.
Oh, you want me to? Okay, well, okay, I'll do as I'm told.
Just so it fit in the picture.
Yeah, really hot, really hot, really hot. So in the meantime, very vocal, wasn't he? In the meantime, I'm going to. Do you want to come round here, darling? You go smiley and everything. There we go. So a lot of the time. So where am I with the juice, baby?
Up to
The neck.
bottom of the neck, yeah.
About there?
Yep.
Okay. So that's yours. You can take that and get it ready for the bath. It's hot though, so be careful. It's a shame that we don't have smell-o-vision yet, because this smells absolutely fabulous. And I don't believe, I don't recall me ever cooking with brandy, ever, I don't remember. But the smell with the pears, the brandy, the cloves and the cinnamon, it's just fabulous. If people don't like this, I don't know what to say. All right, Dad, do you want me to help you? All right, there's one for the bath. That one going there? Yeah?
Wait, no, you didn't put juice in that one.
Oh, my bad. Sorry, darling. One of us has got to pay attention, right?
Apparently it's not you.
I know. No, that didn't take much juice, did it? I can. It's on. It's not on right. There we go. All right, this one for that. Oh, my bad.
This one's for that.
Sorry. So, guys, when you're canning, it's very important that everything is sterilised. All these have been in boiling water. The jars have been in the oven for the last hour. Yep. Everything's got to be sterilised. If you get anything on the necks, on the external side or the internal side of the necks, wipe it off. It's going to help with shelf life greatly, because if anything's on the outside, on the neck, and oxygen gets to it, air gets to it, it's going to start going mangy. So they are hot. Yeah, they're hot. They're hot. They're ready for the bath, and we are just waiting for the large one, because I screwed up on the amount of volume. Not like me to make a mistake. Okay, guys, so we got the larger jar, and so let's see if we can get this large jar filled. I'm saying yes. 2.5 of these. Yeah, about right. Good call on the large jar, darling. Okay. Juice up to the neck. Well, that's got a nice big piece of cinnamon stick in there. It's going to be really nice. So, with regards to once they've been in the bath, what's the shelf life for these?
2 to 3 years.
Wow. Okay, I don't think they're going to last that long. You know.
Tiny bit more. Yeah. Good, right there.
So we got a bit of this liquid left. That will not go to waste. That'll be saved, and probably nice with a bit of martini. Something like that.
Tighten it.
Okay, where's the, okay, it's on. So I forgot to tell you, all the skins and the peeling, all the cores from the pears, they'll go into compost. There's not a great deal you can do with them. But so now we're going to get these into a bath for how long?
I can't remember.
Come and stand here and remember.
I don't remember until it pops.
10 minutes? 20 minutes?
Maybe. Pour the juice in there.
Okay, so we're going to get these ready for the bath. Oh, Oh,
Got more than
we got more than what we thought.
No, try not to get it all over the place.
I'm trying. I truly am. All right, let's get this ready for a bath. So, hey guys, I've got them in the water bath. That will be on not a rolling boil, it's like a medium heat, isn't it? Just to keep that water hot. So, we will keep them in there until they pop. That can take anything from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. And then they are good for the shelf for 2 to 3 years. She said that, not me.
That's what the recipe said.
And so that's all we've got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, 89% of you have not.
Ding, ding, ding.
Please do. Just take a second, hit the subscribe button. It helps us greatly create the content, and it helps Julie. Julie is the creative one, and she thinks of all the content of what we're going to do. What? I never said nothing. I didn't say anything. We will see you on the next video.